Today I'll walk you through exactly how to fix broken links in MailerLite, whether they appear in an email campaign, a form, or a landing page. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by logging into MailerLite and opening the campaign or page where the broken link lives. First, identify which button, image, or text link is the problem. If there are several, make a quick list so you don't miss any. Click into the link settings and inspect the URL carefully. Look for missing characters, misspelled domain names, and extra spaces. While you're there, confirm that the URL starts with HTTPS. A bare example.com without the protocol will often fail, so it should always read https://example.com. Copy the URL and paste it directly into your browser to confirm the page actually loads. It's common for the destination to have been deleted or moved. If that's the case, update the link to a valid page. Now go through each element type in turn. Open every button block and verify the correct URL is assigned. Highlight any linked text and check where the hyperlink points. If images are clickable, inspect their link settings too. If you're linking to another MailerLite landing page, confirm that page is published. An unpublished page always produces a dead link. Review any URLs that use merge tags or personalization syntax, because even a small formatting error breaks the link for every subscriber. If you've used custom HTML anywhere, read through the code for malformed href attributes. That's an easy thing to overlook. Clean each URL field of any leading or trailing spaces, and if a URL redirects, follow it to confirm the final destination works. For anchor links, ones that jump to a specific section of a page, make sure the anchor ID actually exists on the target page. Once everything is corrected, save your changes. Open MailerLite's preview mode and click every link by hand. Send a test email to yourself and check them again from your inbox. Then open that test email on a phone and on a desktop client. Links can behave differently across devices, and catching problems now saves you from a broken campaign reaching your list. That's how you find and fix broken links in MailerLite from top to bottom. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.